Okay, so first let's import the material into Capcut. I'll provide you the material below in the video description, or you can use your own material as well. Okay, so first of all we will use these 4 items: a tree PNG, a boy, a library picture, and a moving sky footage. We will be using keyframing throughout the video, so if you know keyframing then you can skip the next 30 seconds or you can just follow me. So let's bring this tree PNG to the timeline. So click this diamond button to add a keyframe, then drag the slider here and add a keyframe here. Now change the position of the tree. Similarly, you can change the size, color, opacity, and can rotate an object by using keyframing. Now it's time to bring the actual transition into the scene. First, we will add the sky moving footage to the timeline. Now rotate the footage to -30 degrees and increase the scale up to 332%. Now let's keyframe the footage. Add a keyframe at the beginning of the sky footage by clicking the diamond button. Now move the slider a bit farther and add another keyframe. Now make sure to select the sky footage and decrease the scale up to 110%. And we will re-rotate the footage up to 0 degree. Now just before the second keyframe, bring the boy PNG to the timeline, increase the scale up to 143%. Now click on the PNG and drag it below the frame, okay? So as we did before, just add a keyframe at the beginning and a second keyframe a bit farther, and then bring the boy PNG to the frame. Now just go to the text section and drag it under the boy PNG. Use a bold font and give it an animation. Now it's time to bring the actual transition into the scene. In the first step, we will make a compound clip. In order to do that, keep pressing the control button and select the 3 items. Once you select them, do right click and select the option create the compound clip. Now come to the end of the clip, leave some space and add a keyframe and another at the very end of the clip. Now select and drag this compound clip to the very left side of the frame. Now bring down the tree PNG onto the timeline and adjust it just right above the first keyframe of compound clip. Now adjust the tree PNG on screen to the right side in a way that it looks partially on the screen and its right part is behind the frame. Now add a keyframe parallel to the keyframe on the under footage and add the second keyframe similarly, and then drag it to the left side of the frame in a way that it should partially go inside the left side of the frame. Yeah, as a last step, we will add the library PNG on the timeline and align it with the tree PNG and keep it under the tree PNG. Now we will drag the library PNG to right side. Now add a keyframe at the beginning of the library PNG parallel with the tree PNG's first keyframe, and then another parallel to the second keyframe, and drag it to the right side just like this. That's it. That's it guys. If you want me to create a complete crash course on CapCut editing, just comment down below. Oh, subscribe to my channel too.